Okay, this is one of the cars that they're restoring and stuff. Getting it all fixed up. We're at the Owlhead Museum. Today is Heavy Equipment Antique. This is a nice Ford. But, man, let me escape through the other side to show you a few of these. I'll try not to stay too long to overdo my welcome. There's a bike. Look at that. That's an old one, huh? Brooks. Wow, there's a brand new propeller in there. But here's some old propellers. Look at that. Really super old propellers. Lynchcraft service. Wow. These are really nice. Look at some of these really old propellers. Super old. Look at that. One of the little ones they're going to restore there. It's a brand new one there. So cool. Look at these little airplanes up there. Look at that. Milking. Wow. Whole bunch of these nice little small ones. Some more propellers. Alright. They are so cute. Some of the big wings. Some more of the small ones. There you go. There's a, oh, look at that great big one. Look at that. Wheels. Some more up here. Look at that. This is the whole work area. And they're working on one right there. Wow. Okay. So here we are. We're at the Owlhead Museum. Look at all that. Old Orchard, Jones Old Orchard. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed everything that I brought to you. If you have a YouTube channel, be sure to sub me. Oh, there's one way up there too. Alright, some more propellers on that wall. So be sure to sub me, okay? We have a lot to share, a lot to view.